Hello guys, thank you for watching my video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to remove the motherboard from an iPhone 3GS. So these right here are the tools that you're going to be using. This suction cup, you can use a needle, but since I didn't have one, I'm just using a piece of copper. A prying tool and a small Phillips screwdriver. So the first step is to remove the SIM tray. Second step is to remove the screws on the bottom. Then you gotta use your suction cup to remove the LCD. You gotta be very careful when lifting up the LCD because there's some connectors on top of the LCD right here around this area, underneath the LCD of course. So the way I hold the phone is like this, and place the suction cup right by the home button and just pull up carefully like so. Then you gotta lift up the LCD just like a hinge. Here's the connectors I was talking about. You gotta pry up the first connector, which is number 1 connector. Then second connector is number 2 connector. And the third connector, number 3 connector. Then you pull it out like so, away from the iPhone. Next step is to lift up all the remaining connectors. Number 6, number 5, number 4, number 7. The next step is to remove all the screws from the motherboard. So I'm gonna be removing 8 screws total. 1, 2, 3, right underneath number 7 connector, where the do not remove sticker is. There is screw right underneath the sticker. It's 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. The last one, it's the one on the camera. So the one underneath the do not remove sticker, you gotta try to find it like I'm doing right here. It's about right here. Just twist it around. So the last one is the one on the camera. This one has a little extra thing. It's like a holder type of thing that holds in place the camera. So the next thing, it's to lift up the camera. Just lift it up like so. It's like that in place, so just lift it up like that. It's weird, so just lift it up like that. And then I like to put the number 7 connector like this so that it's not on the way. It makes the job easier. So what I do is place my prying tool right in between the dock connector and the motherboard in this little gap right here, and pry it up carefully, not all the way, because the motherboard is still being held by the power button right here. So just pry it up a little bit. Then what I do, I place my finger right here, my index finger, and push it down. Once you push it down, you're gonna feel the motherboard become loose. That's when you pull it up like that. So that's how you remove the motherboard from an iPhone 3GS.